Welcome back to Marvellouss Beauty World. It's your lady here, Mommy. I am back again with another nice video. Today we'll be doing a juice video. We are in a green line. So we'll be using lime, which is green. We are using green apples, and then we are using cucumber. So this video is very important, guys. You should watch it until the end because it has a lot of benefit. You know, Christmas is coming, so we'll be eating, so we need to detox our body, and then it's winter time as well. We need to make our immune system stronger as well. This juice is just one juice, but it has a lot of benefit, darling. I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's jump on our juice. Much love, mommy. Guys, for our video today we'll be needing some few apples. The apples are here, so they are green, so we love to use green apples because you know green apple is the high source of vitamin C, and then it's good as well, you know, for your fiber. So it's an excellent source of all of the minerals, you know. It's really good, like the green apples as well, so it strengthens your bones and your teeth. You know, if you don't use green apple, my god, you are missing out. You need to introduce your green apple in your diet. So you'll be needing 4 green apples. We'll be needing our lime as well. You know, lime is a very good antioxidant, and also it reduces like inflammatory, and then it's high in vitamin C. You know, it's cold winter time, so everybody want to keep themselves healthy, you know. You know, so we need to keep ourselves healthy, so boost your immune system with some of lime. That will be a great deal. And then the last ingredient, we have our cucumber. You know, cucumber, it helps you with your digestive system. You know, if you have like blood clots, cucumber as well, having it, you know, very regular, it does help. It has vitamin A, which is help us with our vision. You know, it helps us as well boost our immune system. Like all these 3 ingredients, honestly, it does kind of like the same kind of job. So if you have this juice, honestly, you'll burn fat because you know lemon help you as well burning fat, and then those 3 ingredients, honestly, is gonna help you do a great job in our body. So I wanted just to give you first the benefit of all the 3 ingredients, and then now we're gonna just chop our apples. You know, we'll be chopping it before we put them in the juice maker. We're just gonna chop them, and then so we're gonna make our juice. So that's me now. So I'm just chopping my apples. If you ever done this multivitamin juice, let us know by using green apples, lime, and then cucumber. Let us know, because this juice is very nice even for your skin. You know, it clear your skin if you have like acne, skin prone. So having this juice regularly is gonna help you, because remember, lime, it does help us with inflammatory, and then it's a very good antioxidant for our body. So this juice, it does a lot in your body early morning. So honestly, you'll be having 1 glass of this juice, honestly, within 7 days you're gonna see a big, you know, change in your system. Let us know what you think about the video. Drop us comments, tell us if you do the same or you have a different way of doing it. Just, you know, feel free to tell us. Just me, just, you know, I'm continuing just chopping my apples. So the apples have been washed properly, and then the lime as well. Yes, I chopped all my apple, and then with my cucumber, so I just wash it, and then now I'm cutting. So I'm not removing anything because I want just all the benefits of cucumber, so to be there, you know, so all the skin and everything. So I just put everything, so we need all the vitamin in there if in our cucumber, guys. Yeah, so that's me chopping my cucumber now. Eating cucumber is nice for your skin, for your eyes, very good. So a lot of great benefit. And then I slice the lemon. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze my lemon inside this water. My hand is so clean. I wash my hand before I do this video. Yeah, so use just 2 lemons, but if you are allergic on citric, so just, you know, don't put lemon, or maybe you just put half. But if you are okay with lime, we are used to lemon, so don't put, but if you are okay, so you put it. Is really nice because it's gonna help you like cut down all the inflammatory on your skin and then help you with digestive system, even if you are a constipated person. So that's it, all the ingredients together. So now right now I'm gonna just get my juice maker. Fine, absolutely fine. Just use whatever you have in your hand, it's fine. So I'm just gonna put the cap. That's me now putting my foot in the juice maker. Just cucumber, green apple, and then so lime. Yeah, so I'm gonna put everything together. So the lime, remember, just squeeze it in. So just this jar of water, and then I'm gonna go with and then pour it inside. Yeah, so that's me. I'm gonna open now the juice machine. As you can see, all the juice is just coming out nice and then satisfying. So you see, this is a very, very rich juice, guys, to be having every morning in empty stomach. You know, within 7 days, honestly, it's gonna help you like burn all the fats, you know, in your tummy, and then help boost your system immune, you know, cleanse all the big stomach and all the blood clot. Honestly, this juice is very, very effective on our body. I keep it simple. You can add like a pinch of ginger if you want, but myself, I just like keeping it simple. So the simple you keep it, so the effective and then the better it is. So I just keep it simple though. You guys, you can see how the juice is very satisfying, and then the green color on the juice. Yeah, so you just have to, you know, stir it, and then that's how the juice looks like. So I'm gonna put it in the cup, and then I'll show you how it looks like. Honestly, if you drink this juice within a week, you will see how it's gonna cut down all the belly fat, you know, and then it's gonna help you like to cleanse your system, to boost your immune system, and then cleanse your stomach. You know, if you have problem with constipation, so your digestive system is gonna work just so perfectly because of all the benefits, the minerals and vitamins in the 3 ingredients. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. See, so satisfying. I'm gonna put in the glass, and then I'm gonna drink it in front of you. Gonna see. This juice, some people might ask like when to drink the juice. The juice, you drink it early morning with empty stomach, and then maybe after an hour so you can eat something. But first thing in the morning, just you get this glass of your juice. The glass is too big, that's why I'm just putting half, but if it's a small glass, you put just a full, and then you drink it. So nice. And then juice, cucumber, green apple, and then lime juice is here. So you see how it looks nice and green and satisfying. For the taste, honestly, it just tastes nice. It doesn't taste too sour, it just tastes nice, honestly. So it's a nice taste in the middle. But if you feel like, you know, you are someone who like a little bit of like sweet, so healthy option, you can just add like a tiny bit of honey inside it. That's just to give it just a little bit of taste. But otherwise it just tastes like, to me it just tastes normal. But if you like, you know, you like some taste or like sugar, you can add just a little bit of honey. So that's how it looks like. You know, that's my secret, my flat belly secret. You know, this juice is amazing, honestly. If you do it, so let us know how you do yours. Mine is very straightforward, simple: green apple, cucumber, and then lime. So all these 3 ingredients mixing it is gonna help you with your skin if you will like break out, or you have like a digestive problem, so you don't digest food properly. This one with the bed apple, with the mineral and then the fiber, is gonna break down all the food, so it's gonna help you like to digest your food properly. It's just one simple juice, but it does a lot. And then winter is here, so you need to protect our system, immune system. So, you know, having some like kind of healthy juice in the morning is gonna help, and then it's gonna help you like detox your body. And then when you eat for Christmas, no one will judge you. So that's me drinking. I'll see you on my next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know, share this video so let it get thousands of views. It's been a while we didn't do juice. You asked me to do it, I did it. Please show me love of sharing and then caring, and then, you know, subscribing in this our channel. So let's hit 1,000 very soon. Love you so much. I'll see you. Bye.